13530 Zulu observation, wind 090 at 18, gust 28, visibility 10 miles, ceiling 4100 broken, temperature 23, dew point 13, altimeter's 3031.
Alright, we do have gust factor for the takeoff, so we'll take that into consideration. I'm going to plug in here 2,000 feet, because that's typically what they give you, IFR.
Boca Ground, November.
Let's pick up our IFR
112 Bravo Juliet.
Boca Ground, good morning, Cirrus November 122, Sierra Zulu, looking to pick up IFR to Florence.
Cirrus 122, Sierra Zulu, Boca Ground, clear Florence Airport is filed, maintain 2,000. Expect 15,000, 10 after. Departure frequency 25.2. Squawk 2106.
Cirrus November 122, Sierra Zulu is cleared to the Florence Airport via S file, climb 2,000, 15,000, 10 minutes. 125.2 on the frequency, 2106 in the squawk.
Cirrus 2, Sierra Zulu, read back correct.
And ground, Cirrus November 122, Sierra Zulu is information Papa, northeast ready to taxi.
Cirrus 122, Sierra Zulu, Boca Ground, runway 5, taxi, Bravo.
Runway 5, Bravo, 122, Sierra Zulu, thanks. So I had a issue with the nose wheel where it was very, very hard to steer. This airplane has a free-cast steering nose wheel, which means that it's just like a shopping cart at a grocery store, where you basically push it and it turns. So you use rudder power and a little bit of a differential brake, and I found myself having to use excessive braking in order to steer it or bring it back to normal. After I flew it to, my friends are at Millennial Technology in Fort Lauderdale, executive, that the nose wheel had just, that bearing that it had in there had pretty much seized up, so we changed it. It was a relatively inexpensive fix, and now it's as light as feather, just like brand new, so it's great. I'll tell you that for a while I was worried about even landing in crosswinds just because I had such a hard time holding the center line, but it's all taken care of. Ground 2 Sierra Zulu will be ready at the end.
1-2 Sierra Zulu, roger, contact tower when you're ready.
Tower Cirrus November 1-2 Sierra Zulu will be ready at the end at holding short runway 5 over there.
Cirrus 122, Sierra Zulu, Boca Raton, flight runway heading, maintain 2,000, runway 5, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 2,000, runway 5, clear for takeoff, Cirrus 122 Sierra Zulu. Clear, clear, clear. We're flying runway heading 2,000. Alright, airspace is alive both places. It's looking good. Here she goes, man, that came quick. That was not even 1,000 feet, seriously. Wow. Flaps up. About 500 feet, autopilot, heading. Light level change.
600.
Caps is available.
Cirrus 2, Sierra Zulu, contact Palm Beach 125.2. Have a good morning.
Over to Palm Beach. Good day, Sierra Zulu. Thank you. Palm Beach, good morning. Cirrus November 122 Sierra Zulu through 900 for 2,000, runway heading.
122 Sierra Zulu, Palm Beach Park, contact, Palm maintain 8,000.
Flight maintain 8,000, 122 Sierra Zulu.
November 2 Sierra Zulu, turn left heading 340.
Left heading 340, 122 Sierra Zulu. Few clouds over here, no big deal, just a thin layer.
Clear direct exposed and
nice.
to southbound.
Ah, is that beautiful or what? Look at that. Look at that. That's exactly
33, turn right heading 280.
what instrument flying is all about. On days like these, when you have
November 2
this
Sierra Zulu, turn left heading 300. I'm in your altitude, maintain 7,000.
left 300 and 7,000 on the altitude, 122 Zulu. This is just gorgeous.
Nava 636.
All right, let's enjoy the flight and see you in a little bit. Jax, good morning, Cirrus November 122 Zulu, level 15,000.
Nico 22 Sierra Zulu, J Center, Brunswick, altimeter 3053.
53, hello. All right, got about 28 minutes to go here. I'll be starting my descent in a little bit. It's pretty smooth. I think I'm going to use the same altitude on the way to New York City to Morristown.
22, turn 10 degrees left now.
We'll see, maybe it's another altitude that has a little better tailwind, but I'm getting about 2 knots right now, with about anywhere from 7 to 15. knots tailwind earlier, but
vertical track.
there's a descent, and actually I'm going to cancel IFR and I'm going to descend VFR here so that we can just keep it a little simple. And Jack Center, Cirrus November 122 Sierra Zulu, cancel. IFR will continue with VFR flight following.
Traffic.
November 122 Sierra Zulu, roger, IFR cancellation received. Stay on this squawk code for flight following, maintain VFR.
VFR on the same squawk, thanks, to Sierra Zulu.
122 Sierra Zulu, what altitude are you going to be cruising at?
We'll start descending right now to Sierra Zulu. Roger. Alright. That's about it. Is the descent coming? Brakes are good. Finalize on. Let's turn down the heat too.
Number 122 Sierra Zulu, contact Charleston approach 121.27. We'll see you later.
2127. See you later. To Sierra Zulu. Bye-bye. Charleston approach. Good afternoon. Cirrus November 122 Sierra Zulu descending through 14.3 down to pattern altitude for Florence.
November 122 Sierra Zulu Charleston, altimeter 3058. For right now, maintain VFR at or above 7,500.
VFR at or above 7,500. 127, thanks. Great flight so far. So we'll see how the next leg is going to be. Florence approach, good afternoon. Cirrus November 122 Sierra Zulu, VFR descending through 5.2 for pattern altitude information uniform.
Number 122 Sierra Zulu, Florence approach, Florence 3059er.
3059er, what's the schedule? And approach 2 Sierra Zulu, Florence Airport inside.
November 2 Sierra Zulu, contact tower 125.1.
Florence Tower, good afternoon. Cirrus November 122 Sierra Zulu is about 16 miles southwest of the field. 3000 inbound full stop information uniform.
From 122 Sierra Zulu, Florence Tower, good afternoon. Make sure you approach runway 1, report a 5 mile straight in.
Right, straight in for runway 1, we'll report 5 miles out. 120, thanks. Alright, so I know that up to like around 11,000 feet, it's a pretty good tailwind. So 11,000, 13,000 is probably going to be good altitude, we'll see. I mean, it's all smooth too, so it's good. Alright, panel's clear, nobody around. There's runway 1, check.
November 2 Sierra Zulu, runway 1, clear to land.
Runway 1, clear to land, 120, thanks. Slow up a little bit. First natural flaps.
500.
Nice, beautiful runway.
Down to Bravo 3, Charlie to park.
Bravo 3, Charlie to parking. To schedule, thanks.
Alright, let's go check in and ask for fuel. Okay. We're all fueled up. Took about 55 gallons. Good.
Ground, good afternoon. Cirrus November 122 Sierra Zulu looking to pick up IFR to Morristown, New Jersey.
So 122 Sierra Zulu, Florence ground. Clear to the Morristown Airport, Mike uniform via radar vectors. I'm going to maintain 2,000 initially, respect to 13,000 as your final in 10 minutes. Departure frequency 135.25, squawk 0771.
November 122 Zulu is clear to the Mike uniform airport via radar vectors 2,001, 3,000, 10 minutes, 135.25, 0771 in the squawk.
120 Zulu, reback is correct. How much longer before you're ready to taxi? I got to get a release for you.
I'll be 5 minutes.
November 2 Sierra Zulu, good news, your release when ready, just advise ready to taxi, and we'll get you out of here.
Ready to taxi with Victor at the General Aviation PO to Zulu.
122 Sierra Zulu, roger that, runway 9, taxi via Delta Alpha.
Delta Alpha, runway 9er, 120, thanks. And tower, Cirrus November 122 Zulu will be holding short runway 9er, is ready to go.
42 Sierra Zulu, on the go, flight in 360, runway 9, cleared for takeoff.
On the go 360, runway 9er, clear for takeoff, 12 Zulu. Alright, clear. Let's get out of here. Airspace live both places. Looking good. For 77 knots. Flaps up.
600.
2 Sierra Zulu, contact departure on 135.25. Have a great day.
Departure, good afternoon. Cirrus November 122 Sierra Zulu through 1100 for 2000, 360 heading.
Yeah, 122 Sierra Zulu, Florence departure to contact. Continue your present heading for now, please.
Alright, he's heading for now to schedule things.
Yeah, 122 Sierra Zulu, kind of maintain 10,000, 10,000, please clear on course.
10,000. Clear on course, 12 schedule things. Alright, it also got smooth, about 3,000 feet. And let's see when we can get to New York City. I got an interesting rerouting here, riding around Philly, kind of snakes around it. I guess there's just no easy way of getting into New York City, man. Alright, it's 2:40 p.m., so I have another hour, 28 minutes. All this rerouting doesn't help either, but I'm much more comfortable here, you know, private, having a lot more fun than being on the airlines, I'll tell you that much. Alright, descending here east of Washington DC, south of Philly, through the clouds, icy clouds, but 7,200 feet, descending down to 5,000. A little bit of trace ice is being picked up. I have the anti-ice on. It's bumpy. It's always like that coming into New York this time of the year, or in the summer, doesn't matter.
November 2 Sierra Zulu, contact Philadelphia approach 119.75.
119.75, good day to Zulu. Philly, good afternoon. Cirrus November 12 Zulu through 6,000 for 5,000, looking for shortcuts.
122 Sierra Zulu, Philadelphia approach, altimeter is 3068.
66, thanks.
Broad approach, reduced speed 180
knots. New York, I'm supposed to check in. I can't even get a space to check in.
180 knots, so due and cleared ILS approach, United 4 right, United 2310.
New York.
671 is set to maintain 3,000.
3,000, exit at 671.
Number 4398, right, disregard. Disregard. Up to 905, turn right heading of 080, vector sequence, is set to maintain 3,000.
080 down to 3,000, up jet 905.
Sierra Zulu, flighting 030, maintain 3,000.
030, 3,000, 12,000.
Cirrus 122 Sierra Zulu, order 3,000, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles, west, indicated 3.2.
Got him on the scope, down to 3,000, 12,000.
Cirrus 2 Sierra Zulu, turn right heading of 060, vector 2 void.
060, 12,000, thanks.
Exit 671, reduce speed 180.
Reduce speed 180, exit at 671.
Fair wings 902, set to maintain 3,000.
Crazy.
You said maintain 3,000?
Well, it's always crazy in New York.
Number 4398, set to maintain 3,000.
3,000, number 4398.
Cirrus 122 Sierra Zulu, proceed direct KY and intercept the RNAV 5.
KY for the RNAV 5, thanks.
Cirrus 2 Sierra Zulu, contact approach 127.6.
27.6, 2,000, thanks. Approach, good evening, Cirrus November 122 Zulu, information Yankee, direct KY for the RNAV 5.
122 Sierra Zulu, near approach, hello, I'll have a clearance for you shortly.
It is cold, man. 16 Fahrenheit up here. Got another 7 minutes to go.
2 Sierra Zulu, cross KY at 2,000, cleared on over runway 5, approach Morristown.
Alright, clear for RNAV 5 and cross KY 2,000, 2,000, thanks. Alright, we'll go down to 2,000, then 1,800, close B.
That's 150, flagship 579. Playback 1, this is to maintain 3,000, then reduce speed to 200.
Alright, brakes are good, landing liners on, we're good to go here.
Cirrus 2 Sierra Zulu, radar service terminated, keep the code, contact Morristown Tower 118.1.
Over to tower, thanks, 2,000. Tower, good evening, Cirrus November 122 Sierra Zulu on the RNAV 5.
Cirrus 122 Sierra Zulu, Morristown Tower, straight in runway 5. Runway 5, clear to land, number 2, traffic on a 1 mile left base for runway 31, Piper.
Right, runway 5, clear to land, Cirrus 1227. This is definitely much easier than the craziness of Teterboro, I'll tell you that much.
Cirrus 2, Sierra Zulu, number 2 now, following the Piper in the left base, 1 mile left base, runway 31.
Alright, number 2 for runway 5, 1227.
Cirrus 2, Sierra Zulu, 1 departure prior to you, runway 5, taking the runway now.
Okay, sounds good, thanks.
500.
Sierra Zulu is going to Atlantic.
Cirrus 2, Sierra Zulu, left turn, Foxtrot, contact ground.
Left on Fox and ground, 2 Sierra Zulu, thanks. I'm not going to make Fox, sorry.
Roger, next one is Golf.
Alright, left on Golf and ground, 2 Sierra Zulu, thanks. Welcome to Morristown, New Jersey. About an hour, 15 minutes from the city. Good flight. A little longer than I wanted it to be, but all in all, great.
About an hour and a half to go to the city. So just grab the snack. My Uber is here. An hour and a half into the city. Kind of crazy.